दोस्तों, hello dear friends. Life coach motivational speaker wants to give you some wonderful quotations so that they can inspire you to the insides of you. My dear friends, just listen very carefully. A negative mind will never give you a positive life. My dear friends, train your mind to see the good in every situation. If you think positively, sounds becomes music, movement becomes dance, smile becomes laughter, mind becomes meditation, and life becomes celebration. So we need to do it without fail. Life is not qualified by fluent English, branded clothes, or a rich lifestyle. It is measured by the number of faces who smile when they hear your name. Wonderful message. There are three solutions to every problem: accept it, change it, leave it. If you can't accept it, change it. If you can't change it, then leave it. My dear friends, knowledge is a treasure, but practice is the key to it. Stay positive. Better days are on their way. Never think that you will not get better days. Positive thinking evokes more energy, more initiative, more happiness. So what you want, you have to think in that way. The only place where your dream becomes impossible is in your own thinking. Guys, there is one, there is only one corner of the universe you can be certain of improving, and that is your own self. What a wonderful message. Positive thinking will let you do everything better than negative thinking will. If you want to be successful in this world, don't hesitate to welcome the shortcomings fast. Life does not get easier. You just get stronger. I tell you guys, the positive thinker sees the invisible, the intangible, and achieves the impossible. It was told by Winston Churchill. My dear friend, stay patient and trust your journey because it takes time. There are 6 ethics of life. Before you pray, believe. Before you speak, listen. Before you spend, earn. Before you write, think. Before you quit, try. And before you die, live lively. There is nothing good or bad. Only thinking makes it so. Once Abdul Kalam Azad, our president, told, you have to dream before your dreams can come true. Just listen again. You have to dream before your dreams come true. One quotation I am having in my heart for last 40 years roughly. I was in a seminar and then our motivational speaker told, dear friends, nobody can make you happy, nobody can make you sad. It is our mental attitude which makes you happy or sad. So dear friends, I have seen all through my life, If we are positive, then we become unstoppable. Just enjoy this life with more and more simplicity. All the best. If you like this video, share it, subscribe it with your friends and family members. All the best. Thank you very much.